Then now we will see how to delete an unprocessed project cost. Then the first thing that we will do will be to create a new template, just clean. Then you can see how this works. We will create that based on the active spreadsheet. Then that create a new template. I will just take out the default values because it's something that I'm not going to use here. Then you can have many spreadsheets you want. I will download, as we saw before, some of the expenditures that are still not imported. They could be as pending or as rejected. And in this case, I will pick up the ones that are pending. And then you see there download 75, but I need just to delete some of them. I could even look at the columns, etc. But I just will now change the list of value there. You see that they have create or delete. In my case, I am deleting. You don't need to use this form. You also could go back and use the default values. And then after select the ones that you want to put there. And then you can see there are all the columns that you need or that you have in your template. And then upload, and in this case, I will not upload the full spreadsheet, just the ones that I'm selecting. And then the tool will bring me back the result and will tell me how many are deleted. You see that in the column A. If there's any error, also will bring me the error as well.